What's good, YouTube? So today you want to learn how to pretty much use your phone as a webcam on OBS. I'm here for you. I'm here to teach you everything. Welcome to the channel. My name is Natepushweights. I pretty much do a lot of gaming videos, tech videos, setup videos, all the cool stuff in the world I make on this channel. So consider subscribing. Now, first and foremost, drop a like for me as well. Now, let's get right into it. Here it is, the OBS tutorial on how to use a phone such as this one. For me, I'm kind of bougie, so I got a Galaxy Fold with me, and you know we're going to use this as a webcam today. Now, I'm going to use this as a webcam. In order to do that, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. All you have to do is have OBS, a computer, a phone, obviously, and just follow me. Now, this video is also sponsored by SWIFTSTREAM. SWIFTSTREAM is a multi-streaming platform where you can stream to multiple different platforms such as Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Gaming, Trovo, eLive, etc. Now, you can stream to multiple different platforms at once, meaning I can use one Twitch channel, two Twitch channels, three Twitch channels simultaneously. I could use YouTube channels simultaneously and stream live, like literally. And I can record my stream, like I can have a pre-recorded video for like 2 hours long and upload it as a live stream, which is absolutely insane. For reruns, of course. Now, not to mention, SwiftStream is a multi-streaming platform, and it is all free. You don't have to pay a dime. All the other streaming platforms that let you multi-stream, you kind of have to pay for it, or they're restricting you in some way. SwiftStream doesn't do that at all. Shout out to SwiftStream. Click the link in the description to sign up, and literally, you can do anything with multi-streaming. So, what are you waiting for? And let's get right into the video. All right, so here we are. Here we are, right here. We are in OBS right now. In order to do this, you're going to need your phone. Now, for me, like I said again, I have a Galaxy Fold. Whatever phone you have, as long as it has a camera and you can connect to the internet, you're good to go. All right, so make sure you grab your phone, make sure you grab your OBS, and let's get into it. All right, so first things first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your web browser, and you're going to want to type in this URL right here, vdo.ninja. And what this is going to allow you to pretty much do is it's going to allow you to get a browser URL from your phone to put into OBS. That's the easiest way I could probably describe it for you guys. By the way, shout out to Gail Level for showing everybody this. He's the first creator that I've seen actually came out with a video talking about this in general, and that is my guy. So Gail, shout out to you. Make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel. Link will be in the description. All right, so first things first, what you're going to see is you're going to see create room, add your camera to a OBS. You're going to click add your camera to OBS. Once you do that, it's going to pop up a message saying, do you want to allow your camera and microphone to use this? Say, yeah, of course, because obviously you're going to want to do that. Next thing you want to do is you'll see options here. Okay, you have a front facing camera, back facing camera. I got 3 different cameras because like I told you, I'm running bougie. I got the Galaxy Fold, for Christ's sakes. Like, I'm not playing around out here. So first thing you're going to want to do is, like I said again, pick your camera. For me, I'm going to use the front-facing camera one because it's the best camera right now for me. And then you got your audio destination. You keep that as it is. You got digital effects. You can do all this stupid effect stuff. I'm not going to play with that. You can also add a password so nobody tries to hack you or anything like that. But I'm just going to click start. Now, as soon as I click start, I'm pretty much live broadcasting through this browser, so to say, as like a live video. So you're supposed to copy this URL into OBS browser source. So let's go ahead and do that right now on our main computer. Put in a browser source. For those of you guys that don't know, on OBS, press right click on sources, add, and then you go to browser, and then you're going to click browser, press OK. And from there, you're going to, like I said again, copy and paste that link that they give you right on the website. Right here. All right, from there, I'm going to choose 1920 by 1080 as my actual width/height for my camera. All right, once you do that, it's going to connect you, as you can see. Now, my front camera is kind of trash. I'm not going to hold you. I'm not even going to lie to you. My front camera is trash on the Galaxy Fold 4 for some reason. Now, I'm going to bring up the brightness. It still looks trash, to be honest. So, I mean, depending on what kind of phone you have, you might be good to go. But for me, my front-facing camera is kind of trash. Now, let's take a look at my room. Now, actually, I could probably show you my back. Pause. I could probably use my back camera. Let me see if I can use my back camera real quick. Cool. As y'all can see, we got the YouTube up. We got everything up right now. Spider-Man on the wall, as you can see. Okay. We got the 10K plaque on the wall. This is my back-facing camera right here. The back-facing camera looks actually really good. There's the 10K plaque on the wall I was talking about. Gaming chair. All right, there's the gaming PC right there. I'm not going to show y'all too much. I actually don't want to show y'all that much just because I want to keep it a secret right now. I'm going to be making videos on YouTube about it. But that being said, that's pretty much how you do it. That's pretty much how you make your phone as a webcam. Now, for me, I could literally just go like this. I could sit in my gaming chair, and I could literally just go like this. I could literally just go like this, put it up as a webcam, maybe get like a little tripod for my phone or whatever, and I could game like that. Now, not to mention, okay, if I wanted to, I know you guys been watching like Twitch streams and stuff like that, right? I could put my phone down, right? And I could literally crop myself, right? I could crop myself on OBS just like that with my phone. Like I said, I'm doing all this with my phone. I could charge my phone. So there's no excuses for people that don't have a webcam, so to say. There's no excuses at all, because if you don't have like a webcam or a camera to stream, you have your phone. Everything you do as far as like content wise on social media, YouTube, Twitch, whatever, you can use your phone for everything. Like, it's insane. Okay, so you don't need to go out there and buy an expensive camera. You don't need to do all that stuff. Just use your phone and literally you'll be good to go. As you guys can see on OBS, I literally just cropped my camera. For instance, I could just put up a display just like this. Boom, I could just put up a screen display like that. Move my camera back up at the top. And as you can see, literally, I'm on my desktop now. Like, so I can play a game with my webcam as my phone and use it as a webcam. You get the gist. Y'all get what I'm saying. That's pretty much it for this video, bro. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, because yeah, that was some good content. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. Y'all see how to do it. Y'all see how to do it. You can use your phone as a webcam. Yes, it is possible. You can do it. Make sure y'all share this video to a friend, because I'm sure there's somebody out there that's like, hey, I need to get a camera. I need to get a webcam to stream. I need to get a webcam to make videos on YouTube and stuff like that. No, you don't. You can use your phone just like that. Just set up a camera. Use the Video Ninja, which is also in the link in the description. Click that and follow my tutorial on this video. And yeah, it'll help you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.